So, good morning guys. Ngayon ay magkakaroon kami ng run sa charity. Sa UP Diliman naman. Ang oras natin ngayon is 4:57. Yung gun start namin is 6:30. So, see you later guys. Ayan na sila. Mag-start na yung 7K. Hanapin naman namin yung race kit namin doon sa registration. Woo! Yung mga 7K runners. Kami naman maghahanap pa ng susuotin namin. Thank you po. Wait lang. Ayun, nagsisintas pa din siya. Jogging yarn. Wait. Go. Malapit na kami sa finish line. Nasaan? Nasaan? Nasaan?
Pangalawa po.
Finisher medal. Me too.
May medal ka na sa UP.
Yeah. May medal na ako sa UP, mama. Medal. Thank you po. Thank you.
May medal ka na sa UP.
Oh, may medal ka na rin sa UP. Woo! Wee!
Panis. 5K yung na picture niya.
Thank you po. Magumagu.
Kasi yung sultan po nito galing po sa studio. Wala po kayong alam kami. So ito po yung
Egg. Egg. 2. Ilan pong egg? Yay! Thank you! Kaya na tayo ng egg.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright! Wala. Bubunod po tayo ng panibagong winner of 1,000 pesos. Malakas magdasal ang nasa harap. Wala dito ang nabubunod. Again, from our 3K. 3, 1. 3. Again.
Ay, sayang.
1,000 pesos. Ang winner ay si Rains Bimber. 3, 1, 3, 4. Philippines Rizal this year, she has witnessed the struggles of our cancer warriors as she lost her mom to the dreaded disease. Today, she stands with the Three Lights Foundation in giving hope to the brave kids by battling cancer. Everyone, let us welcome Miss World Philippines Result 2026 and the Run for Charities official advocacy partner, Miss Lorraine Ojima.
Hello po everyone, good morning. So, thank you so much po for showing up, and of course, congratulations to all of you for finishing today's run. More than the distance, what truly matters is why we are all here and why you ran today. So, it's for the brave pediatric cancer patients of the National Children's Hospital, children who face battles no child should ever have to fight. So I just want to share why this cause is very close to my heart. It's because in 2017, I lost my mother to breast cancer. And so I can't imagine the struggles of kids, diba? So imagine if adults, kaya natin sabihin na kaya nila, but no child should ever go through this. So thank you so much for fighting with them po. And every step you took became hope for treatment, for healing, and a brighter tomorrow for the kids. Last but not the least, thank you so much to Three Lights Foundation, to the volunteers. Thank you so much also to the sponsors of the Run for Charity 2026, and to each and every one of you who chose to run with purpose today. So let us continue to fight for the kid cancer patients or warriors of the National Children's Hospital, and let us continue to always choose hope. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Lorraine. Maraming salamat for fighting this cause with us.